I do hook up. Are you interested?
No.
Okay, do you have any friend that is interested?
Maybe I will check later, but not. I don't think so. Now, like, if anybody is interested.
Please be interested.
Get on my head. Get on my head.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Chidi Smiley and it's all about prank today from the title, right? So I'm going to be pranking my male friends. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I'm sure it's going to be juicy because I'll be giving them buzz booze. I will hide my number. Yes, I'm filming currently with my sister's phone, and then I will call them. I'll be like, hi, I got a number from so group. Are you ready for a hookup? Hey, this is gonna be juicy. Anyways, my new and old subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, how are you doing? Please hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification to be getting notified once I post a new video. Okay, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Oh, this thing is interesting. It's sweet though. It's sweet to do pranks. Try it. Hi. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, please can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm Lydia from Calabar. I'm currently in Enugu. Please, I do hook up. Are you interested?
Why are you using private number?
It's because I don't know you and you don't know me. I just want to know if you're interested. Are you?
I can walk with you if you are serious. Post me on WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll chat to you later. I know.
Alright. So then.
Alright, thank you so much. Bye bye.
No way.
I'm calling the next person. This hookup story is one of the top notch. If you wanna try them, use hookups.
Please try again later. Thank you.
So guys, I'm calling another person. So
Hello? This is who am I speaking with?
yeah, can you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
I am Lydia from Calabar.
Yeah. Good morning. So good afternoon.
Yeah, thank you. I got your number from a group.
What is the name of the group?
Esu group.
It's the group.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm hearing this group.
I do hook up. Are you interested? Alright, thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Anyway, this person is a good person. Aww. That no, he's not interested. Call prank. I'm tired, but I'm enjoying it. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm Lydia from Calabar. Can you hear me?
No, wrong number.
Oh, I got your number from a group.
Sorry, what did you say?
I got your number from a suit group. Yeah, please, I do hookups. Are you interested?
No.
So do you have any friend that is interested?
This is my friend that's interested. Let me hand the phone over to him.
Alright, thank you.
Hello?
Hi, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm Lydia from Calabar. Are you interested in hookups?
What kind of
Dating hookups and everything.
dating hookup? But I don't know you now. I don't know whether you're beautiful. Might be a man, woman, or how?
Please, I'm a lady.
How are you, lady?
I'm 20 years.
I won't be able to tell if you're 20 years or not. So give me evidence.
Yeah, you have to pay me. It's a paying hookup.
I can hear you.
Are you interested? I'll chat you up later.
No, thank you.
Because I've said money is involved. Ha! Okay.
So guys, I'm going to call this person, and this should be my last call for the day. I'm sure you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to be liking this video and comment below which one fascinated you, which one like, which one. It's actually good to try your friends. Anyway, this is a prank bomb. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Eh? Adema.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Okay, I'm Lydia from Calabar.
Okay.
I got your number from one group, like SU group. I do hookup. Are you interested?
No.
Okay, do you have any friend that is interested?
Maybe I will check later, but not. I don't think so. Now, like, if anybody is interested.
Please be interested. So this is the end of the prank video. I hope you enjoyed. Tell me the one that shocked you. You grab. Tell me the one that you loved, because this prank stuff is not everybody that picks up private number. So I guess that's why the 5 persons I called did not pick up. Anyway, this end of this video. I'm sure you enjoyed this video like I did. I actually had fun. I was bored, so I came up with this idea, which I'm liking. So please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up below, give me this hand, and comment below what fascinated you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you've not subscribed. All those good juicy engagements, I need it. And share this video to your friends, to your family, to your WhatsApp group, to your friends group, anything. Give them this idea, okay? Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to follow my IG handle.